Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to take a look at the File, Open, and Repair feature in our Microsoft Word program. So in this example, we have a document that doesn't want to open because it's damaged. We get an error message saying that you can try to run the repair utility or the repair feature to try to repair and open the document. Now let's see how this works. First we're going to go to Open Other Documents, and up here we're going to browse on over to a document that is not wanting to open for us. So now we're going to attempt to repair the file that will not open for us. So we're just going to highlight that file, and now we're going to go to Open. We're going to pull down the window, and here you can select Open and Repair. Now this may work for files that are slightly corrupted, but if it's security related, that's something completely different. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about using the File, Open, and Repair feature up inside of our Microsoft Word 2016 program. So if you have any questions or concerns about any of the material that was covered in this short video presentation, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.